Now, display yards. We have so many displays here, guys. So this is a beautiful luxury. But what I'm saying is we've got the Como, we've got the Florence, we've got the luxury, we've got the 8-meter ones, the 9-meter ones. So we've got so many. And you know what's fun? Saturdays, this place is pumping. Sometimes I've got jumping castles, sausages. That's how busy I am. And it's fun here on Saturday as well. And you can see my little dog. Hot Dog is on strike. So I'm a bit upset with Hot Dog because he reckons it's too hot. I go, come on, little boy, come on, come on. And he doesn't want to come. So, you're naughty. And this is one of the things. This is what I was saying about my facades are gorgeous. And when you see it with the rocks, with the WeatherTexes, with the Merbau, with the Copperton, lights underneath. I mean, the facades are gorgeous. And also, it depends which style you get. They can be on an angle, or they could be like from top to bottom. So there's a few different roof lines, and you can even get them like that as well. Depends which model you get. And so there's a lot of options in teeny tiny homes, and it's just beautiful to see. And what's good about it is come to the display yard, because I've got tons of them, and then you can get some good ideas and you can think, wow. And I want you to come, and I want you to look around too, because hey, at the end of the day, look around. They're all good and they're beautiful builders and this and that and that. But sometimes it's a price thing, or they're beautiful but they're too expensive. So that's what I mean. It's like everyone does good in this industry as long as they do the right thing and they've got the right stuff to give you. But at the end, make sure you look around, because that's what's important. And then you can see on price, and you can see on size, and you can see on quality. And that's why I challenge people, hey, look around after you come here to these displays. Once you've looked around, 100% you'll be back. I'm telling you now. And they go, all right. Mate, I'm shaking hands every day, because they're always coming back. It's like, you're right. I go, I told you. I go, that's what I mean. I care, I give, I serve, I contribute, and I want to bless, because I love God, and that's all that matters. So see you on the next one.